Hello friends, welcome back to this session. In this video, we're gonna create a one load balancer. That means one HTTPS load balancer in simple way, or how to create a fast to fast load balancer. So just see this video. So first of all, we're gonna open a Google Cloud Console platform and go to a navigation menu. Then scroll down and go to network services. There are lots of options are available for network services. That means Google Cloud provide these types of network services like load balancing. Here you can create a load balancing fee, and then here you can available services related to cloud DNS, cloud CDN, and cloud NAT. And here the traffic director services are available. So simply we uh, we create a load balancing. So click on load balancing. So for creating load balancing in fast way, or in a basic load balancing, so click on create load balancer. And here HTTPS load balancing options are available for this, and TCP and UDP load balancing are available. So simply in this video we create HTTPS load balancing. So click on start configuration. Here available of configure HTTP LB and HTTPS LB, which is included HTTP and 2LB. So click on start configuration, and here you can select internet facing or internal only. So here we select from internet to my VMS, which is default. So first of all, for create a load balancing, before that we create a backend configuration, which is important for creating a load balancer. So create a backend service. So give a name backend, and description is optional, so you don't write anything here. And select a backend type, instance group type available, zonal network endpoint available, which is GC and GKE backends, and external backends available, and App Engine Cloud Run. So we select an instance group type available, and here protocol is HTTP protocol, and you have selected HTTPS protocol and HTTP2 protocol, and we have select HTTP protocols here. And you can give a name port here. Options are available. For timeout, we select 20 second. And for backends, new backends available. So I already have my instance group. So I selected instance group and write a port number, which is 8080. You can write here your port numbers, etc. And for a balancing node, so here I write 8080 port number 8080. And here a balancing mode are available. So I click on utilization and maximum number of backends utilizations. So I select a default settings here, and here you can write RPS, maximum RPS, and scope, which is two options: scope and per group. So I selected per instance. Okay, per scope, sorry, per instance and per group. So I select a per instance, and with capacity of 100% capacity. Then click on done. And for you, if you want a cloud CDN services, then you can check these options, and you can create here cloud CDN services, which is a client time to live 1 hour and etc. So in this video we have don't any need related to cloud CDN. So here you can log in, unable to log in. If you want to log in your login applications. So if you, so in this video we don't need to log in. And security, cloud more security policy, you can select it here and click on advanced. So you have option available to create a request headers and custom response headers. If you need, then create this, otherwise don't need to create this. So simply click on services. There are one options issues. So here check, here click health check. So write a name to create health and distribution protocol 80 and port is 8080 and proxy type is none, and simply here you can logs options are off, and health criteria which is check interval after every 5 second, and timeouts is 5 second, and health threshold which is right I 3, and unhealthy threshold right 3, and click on save, and then click on create and click on ok. Or here a front end configuration available, so simply give it name front end and http protocol version ipv4 ip address which is ephemeral, and port is right 8080, and here give a name of load balancer, so write load balancer, then click here review of finalize, and here you can check or review this clear created option, and simply click on create button. So here you can create a one load balancer https load balancer. So just wait, it take times for 1 or 2 minutes. We refresh this page. So if you like this video helpful, if you think this video helpful, then like and share this video and subscribe our channel. So it takes a few minutes. Click on refresh. Here you can see one load balancer is created and protocol which is http protocol. So that's it in this video.